I'm gonna pop this bezel off here, or try to pop it off, see what it takes. So if you pop out this, on the cop car version, there will be a little rubber grommet down here underneath the shifter. You pop that little rubber grommet out, and then up there, you go straight in and up the hole. There's a little red tab. You push that little screwdriver, and when you have the battery unhooked on the car, or something's wrong with it and you need to move it, it allows you, oh, let me get it, allows you to move the shifter down. Like in this case, for us to move this out of here, the shifter had to be down, so word, that's how you do that. Guess we gotta take this out. Oh, there you go. Oh, that was pretty easy there, pretty tight. Now, same thing, but in the parts car. So boom, got it all in there. Yeah, screen, new buttons, new steering wheel, freaking awesome, brand. Yeah, so tight, it's all in there. We're gonna do center console real quick. That's the end of this video for now. The car's gonna go to Dodge and get the screen initialized. Besides that, next step, we're gonna do spoiler, paint the roof, paint the hood, exhaust, maybe some other stuff. All right, anyways, that's it. Peace.